What happens when you have installed Pop OS but you don't have any boot menu available? If you don't have boot menu, then you cannot select between Pop OS and Windows operating system in a dual boot system. So the situation here is I have installed Pop OS after the Windows installation, but unfortunately I don't have boot menu so that I cannot log in into Windows operating system. So the solution is somehow I have to do some work to create a boot menu so that I can select between Pop OS and Windows operating system. Let us see how we can do that. lsblk, this is the command I'm going to use to display the drives. Okay, if you observe here, in my case it is SDA1. You can see a disk with 100 MB space. This is actually the EFI partition for Windows. So I figured it out, and you have to remember this name. So in my case it is SDA1. So I'm going to mount this SDA1 to a folder called or directory called MNT. This is a temporary directory. So let me do that first. SDA1 100. Yes, right. Set. Done. Now you got the directory /mnt. Yes. 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 ctfi ls. Yes. Now this is the file. This is the folder that we need. Microsoft. Okay, let's see what we can do. Now I'm going to copy this Microsoft folder to this /boot/afi/AFI folder. Let's see. Before that, let me see what is inside that. ls. Okay. Yes, this is here. Now we are going to make a copy of Microsoft to this particular folder. Okay, let's see. Done. Now see, yes, it is here. This is fine, but if you don't specify some delay in boot menu, what happens is that it will directly go to Pop OS. Again, you have the same issue. You cannot select between Windows and Pop OS. So let me add some delay there. Yes, so I'm putting 10 seconds. Yes. X, yes, Y. So this is done. Now I'm not going to show the rest of the procedures, but I explain here. We just follow it properly. First, you have to shut down your system. Then start your system again. Go to your BIOS. Check the boot order. Most probably, Pop OS will be the first option. If it is the first option, then let it be. No need to change anything. If Windows is the first option, then you have to change the first option to pop OS and save it, exit from BIOS.